So today we will be speaking about James Arthur Gosling, the creator and founder of the Java programming language. James Gosling was born on May 19, 1955, and was a Canadian computer scientist. So, a little bit on James Gosling. James Gosling was a famous developer and a world class innovator. He was also a CTO, a VP at Sun Microsystems for many years, and he came up with a lot of creations such as compilers, mail systems, window managers, multiprocessors, and Unix. And he has also worked under Oracle and Google. And now recently he has moved on to Amazon. So, for college and education, in 1997 he received his bachelor's in computer science at the University of Calgary. A few years after that, in 1983, he received his PhD in computer science from Carnegie Mellon University. So, you might ask, what has James Gosling done for the computer science field? So, in 2002, he was awarded the Economist Innovation Award. 2002, he was awarded the Flame Award, USENISX Lifetime Achievement Award. 2007, he was made an Officer of the Order of Canada. The Order is Canada's second highest civilian honor. Officers are the second highest grade within the Order. 2003, he became a Fellow of the Association for Computing Machinery. 2005, he was awarded the IEEE John von Neumann Medal. So what impact has James Gosling had over these years? The key and major key is the Java language. Further than most, that was by far the best thing he could have done. And the following, if it were not for this language, would I be making a PowerPoint right now? I don't believe so. Would machines or technology at the hospitals helping someone continue to live be possible? If you are lost, how would you know how to get to your destination without using your phone maps? His biggest impact is he pretty much changed everything. Everything I had just listed, if it weren't for Java itself, I don't believe we would be able to do the things we rely on most to get done. So over the years, technology has changed quite a bit. As you can see on the left side, you have one of the beginning of the MP3 players. And if you've had one, you know it was probably one of the coolest things ever. And then you fast forward to our times now and you see, boom, you have a phone. And in that phone, you have Apple Music, you have everything you need. Let's go back to the Mac, the first MacBooks. You see right there, it's a huge brick, something you could say. You see, fast forward a little bit more down, you see the MacBook Pro having the whole touchscreen on the keyboard now. You go to the right side, you see video games. You see the Atari. But I mean, as you see innovators and someone who's like with a lot of experience, they build their own computers. So, James Gosling's philosophy and contributions over time. His contributions have been thanks to Java applications can run on computers across the internet worldwide, and that includes running no matter what type of operating system they use. They will still be able to find the way. For Java virtual machines, so the diagram of a Java virtual machine, it starts off with a Java source code, works to the Java compiler, then it would go to the Java object code, which is a class, then the object code is loaded into Java virtual machine, which would also be called a Java interpreter. Then it works its way down to the computer operating system, and as you can see, it would just follow the same steps. Also, another Java virtual machine would be using Eclipse. So, for location management systems, it could be a different variety of things it could help with. It could help locate certain things where you keep things in inventory, keep things stored in memory. So you ever need banks to find this and that, it'll help you in a wide variety of ways. Also, being able to see inventory and input, money, expenses, and much more. And also, finally, tremendously, it helps businesses. What is James Gosling up to today? 1. James Gosling joins Amazon Web Services, and this was just recently. 2. He wants big companies to move software and data into Amazon's own facilities, sharing network gears. And lastly, the hint, more into the route of the cloud. So, what I mean by this is he wants all different types of information services, companies to all evolve around the same network and be, as you would know, as in like the cloud, as an Apple cloud and different clouds that you can store everything in, and it's physically not possible to see. Then